In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have more than 3 indicators in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, utilizing multiple indicators can be a powerful way to enhance your trading strategies. Let's dive into how you can unlock more indicators through TradingView's different plans. First, let's talk about the limitations and options for using indicators in TradingView. If you're currently using the free version, you'll find that you're limited to only 2 indicators per chart. While this might be enough for some quick analyses or straightforward strategies, it can be quite restrictive if you want to incorporate more complex or detailed analysis methods. That's where TradingView's premium plans come into play. TradingView offers several paid plans, each with increased limits for indicators per chart. These plans are designed to meet various needs, whether you're looking to expand your capabilities slightly or dive deep with comprehensive tool sets. The Pro plan allows you to use up to 5 indicators per chart. The Pro Plus plan boosts that number to 10, and the Premium plan lets you use an impressive 25 indicators per chart. Depending on your trading style and analysis needs, one of these upgrades might be just what you're looking for. To explore these options, the first step is to visit TradingView's pricing page. Here, you'll find a clear comparison of the different plans and their respective features, including the number of indicators available for each. Take a moment to review these options and consider which plan best suits your trading goals and workflow. Once you've settled on a plan that meets your needs, you can take advantage of TradingView's 30-day trial, allowing you to experience these upgrades without an immediate commitment. Selecting your plan is straightforward. Simply click on the plan of your choice. After selecting, you'll be prompted to start your 30-day trial. This trial period is a fantastic opportunity to explore the expanded capabilities and see how the additional indicators can enhance your trading analysis. Bear in mind that setting up your trial will require you to enter payment details. It's common for companies to use a $1 authorization to validate your payment method, and TradingView follows this practice. This is just a temporary transaction and will generally disappear from your account quickly. Once your plan is upgraded, adding more indicators to your charts is as easy as ever. Just go to the Indicators panel within TradingView and start adding up to the allowed number of indicators for the plan you've chosen. This is where the enhanced features of your upgraded plan really start to shine. You can customize your charts with a range of technical indicators, creating a tailored and insightful analysis tool. By upgrading your TradingView plan, you're investing in advanced charting capabilities that can significantly enhance your trading experience. Enjoy your expanded access and make the most out of your trading strategies. Happy trading, and remember to check back for more tips